Yes, I'm a kid, and at the moment I'm empty, but I'm on an important mission. At JOMIPSA, we've spent the last 40 years developing, producing, and distributing humanitarian aid kits and food ration packs for major international cooperation agencies. At our facilities, we produce up to 10,000 kits a day, and they undergo exhaustive controls to guarantee food quality and safety, plus environmental management, which, together with other environmental actions, means we've been able to reduce our carbon footprint to zero. Our kits are designed in a completely personalized way to provide essential needs like hygiene, clothing, shelter, and food in any location, whatever the circumstances. And they're always adapted to the cultural preferences and culinary tastes of their end users. Our experienced team is trained to meet all requirements and ensure speedy shipment. Having permanent stocks enables us to help leading humanitarian aid organizations around the world as we share a common commitment to meet the basic needs of anyone in an emergency situation. JOMIPSA. Always ready, always safe.